Hey guys! So tomorrow's my husband's birthday and I wanted to do something really nice for him. He's extremely work driven, but he's also very family oriented, and a lot of times work doesn't allow him to have the time he'd like with his family. So I wanted to put together something that I knew he could enjoy on a day out. So I decided to put together a small family picnic. I also thought that this would be a really cool and fun way to show you guys that not everything has to be made from scratch to make a fun, good quality meal, especially if you're looking for ideas for a special occasion or things to do on a day off. I'm going to show you a few different options that you could pick from for a family day out, like a picnic or a barbecue. Here's what you'll need. For the Italian sub sandwich, you're going to want some Black Forest ham, Genoa salami, prosciutto, sliced provolone, Roma tomatoes, shredded lettuce, Italian dressing, and of course your French sandwich rolls. For the pasta salad, you're going to want well-cooked pasta, Italian dressing, sliced olives, artichoke hearts, crumbled bacon, fresh mozzarella, and cherry or grape tomatoes. We're going to start with the sandwich. Slice your bread, add your shredded lettuce, and then you're going to drizzle a little bit of Italian dressing. Next, you're going to place your Black Forest ham, then your salami, then your prosciutto. Then slice your tomato and place on top. Top that with a little bit more Italian dressing and your provolone cheese. Slice in half and you have yourself a nice, juicy, hearty Italian sub sandwich. I store everything in disposable containers so that we can eat right out of the container and throw it away at the park. Next, we're going to do the Italian pasta salad. Scoop your pasta into a mixing bowl. Chop your tomatoes in half, along with your mozzarella cheese. Then you're going to add your olives, some Italian dressing, and chop up your artichoke hearts so they're a little bit smaller. Then place those in the mixing bowl as well. Then you're going to mix it thoroughly. So simple. I add a little pepperoni on the side and place that in the fridge to cool while I prepare everything else. Next, I like to store a little extra Italian dressing into small sauce containers in case my husband or myself want to dip our sandwiches in the sauce or add a little more to the pasta salad. Now moving on to the avocado deviled eggs. As I've mentioned in previous videos, my husband is not a big fan of mayonnaise, so these are going to be made with avocado instead. You're going to start by slicing your hard-boiled eggs in half and dropping the yolks into a small mixing bowl. I got these cute little disposable trays as well to add the eggs to. Then you're going to add half an avocado and a small squirt of mustard. Then 4 pickle slices minced up. Then I do a tablespoon of pickle juice and I mix thoroughly. I use a spoon to make sure that the yolks are crushed properly. Then you're going to add a small amount of bacon bits, about a tablespoon, and mix everything up. Then I put it into a small sandwich bag and cut the tip. This will make it easier to pipe the filling into the eggs. Once the eggs are filled, I sprinkle a little paprika on the top, and now you can seal your eggs and place them in the fridge to keep cool while you prepare your next meal. Next, I'm going to make a healthy chicken wrap. Because I'm pregnant, I cannot have sub sandwiches like my husband, so I had to find a healthy alternative. I took a spinach and flax wrap, and then I did a small layer of cream cheese. Add some spinach, tomatoes, Italian dressing, and chicken cutlets. Add some provolone, roll it all up, slice it down the middle.
And now you have a delicious healthy wrap.
Now for the kids. I have an almost 2-year-old daughter, and she's become a little bit picky over the last few months. But she loves chicken nuggets, so I used some of the same chicken bites that I used in my roll. Then I added a fruit and veggie pack that she loves, some hummus, and an oatmeal ball for a little bit of a treat afterward. And there we go! These are just a few of some of the many options that you have when it comes to outdoor picnics or barbecues or any outing with your family, and you need to plan for meals that you don't have to heat up, that are quick and easy and also healthy. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps push us even further and encourages me to upload more recipes for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to show you what I have in store for you in the future. Bye for now!